Yo, I'm gonna design and heat press this koozie. I'm Brando and I love energy drinks. I love them. My wife says I got a problem, but I don't see the problem. The only problem I got is these short ass koozies on my tall ass drinks. So I'm gonna make me a new one and I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Make sure you stick around to see how it turns out. P.S. I'm gonna give a couple away, so for real, stick around to the end and find out how to win one. Let's measure this thing up and get to get. I already have the art done, but I wanted to show you a quick rundown anyway. Start with a new document. Our printable area is 3.75 wide by 5.25 tall. Next, I make a black background to represent the koozie color. Type out the word mark upside down owl and select the font Emancipator. Set the font size to 58 points and select Right Justify. I need to break the font apart so each word is its own object. I'm going to switch to wireframe mode to double check the structure. You see this area? If I don't weld these letters together, my cutting machine will read those lines and cut them into the material. So, select the word down, go to Object, Shaping, and then select Weld. Now I need to do the same thing for the word owl. Bam, connected. And back to Enhance View. Now let's scoot these words closer together and group them up. Next, I'm going to open up the Envelop effect and select Add New. I'm deleting these 4 nodes as they are unnecessary for this effect. Now I select the 2 nodes on the right, hold down Shift, and hit the arrow key up twice to give it that hard slant. Next, I drop in my owl graphic, rotate it 9.003 counterclockwise, and line them up with the O in owl. Boom, nice. Now I'm going to add a few drips from my vector pack, 90 drips and splats, which just happened to be available on my website for $5. In the interest of time, I'm only going to add a couple to show you my process, as it takes me quite a bit of time to figure out where I want to put them. Yo, here's the final placement for all the drips. I love it. Now, I need to weld everything together so my plotter can read it as one piece. Sometimes the weld process can be really finicky when combining objects. This MF is ready to cut. And as a bonus, I designed a second side for the koozie, and it's already built and ready to cut. First, I gotta load my material in the plotter and adjust the tracking to make sure it feeds straight. This is the software that came with my plotter. I'll start by importing my EPS cut files. Next, I'm going to add a weed box so it cuts a box around each graphic, which makes it easier to remove all that excess material. Now I'm going to duplicate them and flip them. When you cut HTV or heat transfer vinyl, you need to reverse the image because the material has a sticky carrier sheet to hold fine detail. So always cut the dull side of your HTV. Now I select both and hit the cut icon up top. It's weeding time. Start with the corner of the weed box and start picking. Now that it's all picked, I'm going to cut off all this excess and it's ready to go. Finally, it's pressing time. I gotta preheat my press to 332, firm pressure at 15 seconds. You put the dull side to your koozie and press it. Flip it over and press the back. Now you remove that plastic sheeting and bam. Yo, now that it's all pressed up, let's check out that reveal footage. Tastes even better. Pretty sweet, right? I think so. Now it's contest time. I'm gonna give away 2 koozie packs. That's right, 2 koozie packs. Koozie packs include a tall boy, 2 shorties, and a decal. All you gotta do to enter is leave a comment down below what beverage you keep cold in one of these things. And in 72 hours, 2 random winners will be chosen. Good luck. Yo, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something useful. Or maybe you're just a fan of koozies. I am. I'm a big fan. Koozies are up in the shop on my website. Links in the description down below. Like, subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.